So for this artwork, we are going to use some flat brushes and also a round brush. If you don't have flat brushes, you can use a large round brush for this artwork. And it's a silhouette painting, and we are going to draw just the ground line and start with painting the sky. Make sure the size of your paper is A4 and not bigger than that. You can go smaller but not bigger. Here I'm taking a large flat brush and applying water all over the sky. It may go into the ground because the ground is eventually going to be painted black only. And the first color that I'm going to use is the Prussian blue plus black, because I want to make a darker shade. And as our paper is already wet, we are going to take thicker color. Make sure there is more paint onto your brush, and because watercolors, as you know, when they dry out, they look 2 shades lighter than what you can see currently. So we want to make the painting nice and dark. And I'm mixing blue plus black directly into my brush. As you can see, 3-4 rounds of blue and then black. Now below that patch, I'm starting with painting with plain blue, that is plain Prussian blue. And that's looking very, very light, so I'm gonna add some more color to try to make it look richer out here. Now by this time I start with the yellows. The base has dried up, so I'm just going to apply quickly some plain water to keep my page moist. And now I'm going to start with the chrome yellow or the medium yellow from the bottom towards the top. Make sure you don't mix the dark yellow directly with the blue. It looks a little greenish. So we are going to fade out the yellow, as you also see in the reference picture. Towards the blue, we are going to fade out the yellow. And I'm going to use orange now towards the base. Now as you can see, if your paint goes into the ground, that's okay. You don't need to waste your time going to give that finishing for the ground, because the ground is going to turn out black anyway, so you can just go quick towards the bottom also. So I added some orange at the base, and now I'm going to blend it upwards using white. Now while I'm doing that, I'm going to pick a little bit of blue from the lowest line of my painting and bring it downwards, so that the yellow and blue are blending into each other onto that white band. So both of them are faded over there. Here I just picked a little yellow and applied it to the blue, because that shade that I see in the reference is a little greenish blue shade. So white plus yellow is what I've taken on my brush, and I'm trying to activate that blue and blend it in.